Okay, welcome to lesson 3000 of this channel. So this is on the geometry playlist. Uh, 2.3 is a section of the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania's four-part breakdown of mathematics from K to 9, which is a tested area. After you get through the ninth grade, then math breaks off into geometry, algebra 2, and all of the rest, trigonometry, pre-calculus, calculus, all of that, statistics, those other mathematics. So this is under the purview of what is being tested on the Keystone test in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. I am going to do some extra things that may not be covered in the ninth grade in a geometry course, but we'll cover that when we get to it. So I just want you to introduce you to what this playlist will look like. So geometry is geometry. And it's funny, you learn in science class that geo means earth, and metry, because you have all kinds of metries, is has another word, but we think of it in terms of math. But geometry is just the study of shapes when you really get down to it. And I forgot what metry means something in Latin or Greek or whatever. And I can't remember what, I think geo is Greek for earth, because you got geology, which is the study of the earth. Well, metry deals with measurement. So if geo is earth, then metry is measurement. So it's measurement of shapes on the earth. And so typically in a math class, the technical definition is the study of lines, angles, points, planes, and various shapes. And a lot of geometry overlaps with a lot of algebra, and so I will tell you in some of these to go back into some algebra playlists, algebraic concepts playlists, and look at those lessons. You were referred here from, I guess, lesson 79 or lesson 80 on algebraic concepts. So that's why you're here, and along to learn some geometry on this playlist. So I will be referring you back and forth. So the typical lesson will look like this. You'll see objective, what you're supposed to learn out of this lesson, some vocabulary, some rules and notes. Then you'll have an example and a problem or two or three, and you'll take a break, and then we will review at the end of the video to see if you got the concept, if you were able to calculate or not. And I will wrap up the lesson with this. So thank you for watching the intro videos. They are important to give you an overview of what's coming on this playlist. But geometry has one big, giant, broad scope of topics that it covers. So we'll look at two-dimensional things, three-dimensional things, moving things around on a coordinate plane, and points, lines, planes, all of that good stuff. So I look forward to seeing you watch these videos, and get yourself a algebra or geometry textbook so that you can practice after watching the video, or get your textbook that you're working. Hopefully you're using this to help you in whatever math class that you have, and really start to work on some of them problems so that you can help yourself learn more deeply what is covered in class. So if you like what you saw and heard, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share with others. And I will see you on the next video.